Welcome back to English Mastery Podcast. I'm Vey Bean, your English speaking trainer, and I'm thrilled you've joined me today. Whether you're listening during your morning coffee or your evening walk, this is your time to grow stronger in English. Today we're diving into something that can transform your English journey completely. Building genuine confidence through daily micro habits. Not the kind of confidence that comes and goes, but the deep, steady confidence that makes English feel natural and enjoyable. The Confidence Foundation. Let me share something personal with you. Many of my students say, "Vey, I understand English when I read, but when I need to speak, my mind goes blank." Sound familiar? Here's what I've discovered after training hundreds of English learners. Confidence isn't built in giant leaps. It's built in tiny, consistent moments. Think of it like building muscle. You don't become strong by lifting weights once a month for 5 hours. You become strong by lifting lighter weights consistently, every single day. The same is true for English confidence. Today, I'm going to share 5 micro habits that will rewire your relationship with English speaking. These aren't traditional study methods. They're confidence builders disguised as daily activities. Practice with me right now. I am becoming more confident every day. English is getting easier for me. I trust my English abilities. Don't just listen. Say these out loud with me. Your voice matters in this jow. Micro habit number 1. Mirror conversations. Micro habit number 1 is something I call mirror conversations. Every morning, spend just 2 minutes talking to yourself in the mirror. Not reading from a script, not memorizing phrases, just talking. Here's how it works. Look at yourself and describe what you see, what you're feeling, or what you plan to do today. For example, "Good morning. I'm wearing my blue shirt today. I feel ready for work. I'm going to have a productive day." Or maybe, "I look tired today, but that's okay. I had a busy week. I'm proud of myself for trying." Why does this work? Because you're practicing English in a completely safe space. There's no judgment, no pressure, no fear of making mistakes. You're literally your own best audience. Your homework, tomorrow morning, try this for just 1 minute. Look in the mirror and tell yourself 3 things about your day ahead. Use simple sentences. Be kind to yourself. Micro habit number 2. The narration technique. Micro habit number 2 is the narration technique. This is where you become the narrator of your own life, like in a movie. As you go through your day, quietly describe what you're doing in English. When you're making breakfast, "Now I'm cracking 2 eggs. The pan is getting hot. I'm adding a little salt." When you're walking, "I'm walking to the bus stop. The weather is nice today. I can hear birds singing." This technique is powerful because it connects English to your real, immediate experience. You're not translating thoughts. Habit number 3, emotion vocabulary. Micro habit number 3 might surprise you. It's building your emotion vocabulary. Most English learners know basic emotions: happy, sad, angry. But real fluency comes when you can express the subtle shades of how you feel. Instead of always saying, "I'm good," try, "I'm feeling motivated today. I'm a bit overwhelmed but optimistic. I'm genuinely excited about this. I'm slightly nervous but ready." Here's your daily challenge. Every evening, describe your emotional state using a word that's not basic. Instead of tired, maybe drained but accomplished. Instead of happy, maybe grateful and energized. Practice round. How are you feeling right now as you listen to this? Try to use a more specific word than good or fine. This builds confidence because you're learning to express your authentic self in English, not just textbook responses. Micro habit number 4 is the question game. Every day, ask yourself one curious question in English and try to answer it out loud. Not boring questions like "What's your name?" but interesting ones like "What's the best part of my personality?" If I could learn any skill instantly, what would it be? What made me smile yesterday? What's something I've improved at recently? The magic happens when you answer these questions spontaneously. You're forced to think creatively, use varied vocabulary, and express personal opinions, all key components of confident English speaking. Your turn. Right now, ask yourself, what's one thing I'm looking forward to this week? Answer out loud in English. Don't plan it. Just speak from your heart. Micro habit number 5, celebration moments. Our final micro habit is my personal favorite, celebration moments. Every time you use English successfully, whether you understand a song, help someone with directions, or even just order coffee, celebrate it out loud in English. Say things like, I did that really well. I'm getting better at this. That felt natural and easy. I'm proud of my progress. This rewires your brain to associate English with positive feelings instead of anxiety or frustration. Remember, progress isn't about perfection. It's about showing up consistently, being kind to yourself, and trusting the process. Before we wrap up, I want you to choose just one of these 5 micro habits to try this week. Don't try all 5. That's too much. Pick the one that feels most doable for you right now. If you're ready for a challenge, record a 30-second voice message describing which habit you chose and why. Post it in our English Mastery community. I read and respond to every single message. Your English journey is unique, and your confidence will grow at your own perfect pace. Trust yourself, be patient with yourself, and remember, I'm here supporting you every step of the way. This is Vey Bean from English Mastery Podcast. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. You've got this.